This is the Atomos Shinobi. This is their newest compact 5-inch 1080p touchscreen monitor that can take 4K over HDMI. Let's see what's inside. Do you know that Shinobi is another word for ninja? And basically this is a ninja without any recording features. So welcome to the Atomos community. Of course there's more in the box. You also get a MPF power adapter with many different country plugs, which is great if you travel quite a lot. Attaching the plugs is quite easy, just align the notches and twist it and it snaps into place. Attaching the MPF power adapter to the monitor is quite easy, just slide it in. Batteries and HDMI cables are not included though. Luckily I already have those, but if you don't, you might need to budget those in. On the left side we can find a full-size HDMI in and a headphone jack out to monitor the sound. On the other side you will find an SD card slot, which is not for recording but for LUTs and upgrading the firmware. Under it you will find a remote port for remote controlling the monitor, but also for calibrating the screen. On the back we can find a battery plate where we can attach a MPF battery to power the Shinobi. On the back we can find the on and off button. However, you need to press and hold this button quite long until the Shinobi starts. Being 5-inch and compact, it's a nice combo on my Sony a7R II. I DIY'd a mount out of GoPro bits, as also there isn't a mount included in the box. Also it works very well with my Canon C100 Mark II, and also I noticed it does show 1080 50p, while many other monitors I've tried would show a 1080i signal instead. Being light and compact, it's a nice combo with my Xeon Weibo Lab. I'm using a special small magneto rail to attach the Shinobi. This works great as it's enabled to clear the gimbal when it pans. Let's take a quick look at the menu inside. The most exciting feature on this monitor for me is that it can live de-squeeze anamorphic images with a 1.33 or a 1.5 or a 2x squeeze. So you might think, why should you buy the Shinobi while there is a Ninja 5? However, if you have a budget, Ninja 5 actually you need to be closer to $1,000 to get it ready to record and have everything done. Well, if you don't really need to have like external recording and just have a monitor to help you with focus, exposure and other stuff, then the Shinobi would be really great for that. So my question onto you, would you guys rather get the Shinobi or the Ninja 5? I hope you guys found this a very interesting video. If you want to see more upcoming videos, please hit that subscribe button here below. Also make sure to hit that bell icon so you're always updated when I post a new video. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you the next time. Bye bye.